Hi friends, this is Raj Nandini. Welcome to my video tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about chromatography, the basic of chromatography and different types of chromatography. Then chromatography, this term is divided into two. One is another one is graphy. Chroma means color and graphy means to write. Chromatography means to write the color. The scientist who introduced chromatography is Michael Sweat. First, he experimented on plant pigments, a mixture of plant pigments. He separated different plant pigments in that plant extract like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll V, xanthophyll, and from that time the chromatography became very popular. So, what is the definition of chromatography? It is the selective distribution of components of a mixture between two immiscible phases. So, chromatography is the selective distribution of components of a mixture between two immiscible phases. Then, what is the immiscible phases here? Immiscible phases are of two types. One is mobile phase. Mobile phase means the phase which is moving. This is the moving phase. And another one is stationary phase. The phase which is not moving. Means the mobile phase go through the stationary phase by picking the components of a mixture and it separates different components in that mixture. So, now this separation depends upon the relative affinity. The separation of different components in chromatography depends upon relative affinity. Relative affinity means strong interaction of compounds towards mobile phase and stationary phase. Means relative affinity is the strong interaction of compounds or our analytes which we are going to separate. Strong interaction of compounds toward mobile phase and stationary phase means here greater the relative affinity means the compound will separate slowly, means it will come out from the column very slowly or last. compound comes out last. If the relative affinity is greater, means the compound comes out or elute from the column very slowly or last. Now we will go towards its types. So, types of chromatography. Now different types of chromatography. Types. The types of chromatography, first based on mobile phase and stationary phase. Mobile phase and stationary phase. Basically, it is of two types based on the mobile phase and stationary phase. First, stationary phase. Stationary phase means the phase which is not moving. So, this phase is always a solid. It's never be a solid, it must be a solid or a liquid phase. Stationary phase is a solid or a liquid phase, and the mobile phase, as the mobile phase is not moving, a mobile phase is moving, so this is a liquid one or a gas one. It's either a liquid phase or a gas phase. So depending upon the mobile phase and stationary phase, chromatography is divided into four types. One is solid liquid chromatography, second one is solid gas chromatography, third one is liquid chromatography, and fourth one is liquid gas chromatography. So depending upon the mobile and stationary phase, chromatography is differentiated into four types. One is solid liquid, one is solid gas, one is liquid and liquid gas chromatography. Now, depending upon the mechanism of separation, chromatography is again divided into two types. Mechanism of separation. Depending upon the mechanism of separation, chromatography is of two types. One is partition chromatography and another one is adsorption chromatography. Adsorption chromatography. This is according to the mechanism of separation. Chromatography is partition chromatography, adsorption chromatography. Again, depending upon the shape of bed used in chromatography, it is of two types again, depending upon the shape of bed. One is planar planar chromatography. If you are taking the example of planar chromatography, then TLC, thin layer chromatography, or the paper chromatography, and second one is column chromatography. And this is the different types of chromatography, and in our next video we will discussing each of the types of chromatography individually. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel, and for the new videos you can click the notification bell. Thank you for watching.